Get ready, because the airgun world has just leveled up. In today's video, we're counting down the top 15 airguns of 2025 models packed with insane power, cutting-edge tech, and game-changing accuracy that could completely transform the way you hunt. Number 1. Benjamin Pioneer Airbow. The Benjamin Pioneer Airbow brings a revolutionary approach to big game hunting, using compressed air to launch full-length, broadhead-equipped arrows. Unlike traditional bows, it pulls arrows from the front for unmatched shot placement and accuracy. Its compact bullpup design, just 33.5 inches overall, and ambidextrous top cocking bolt make it perfect for tree stands or tight hunting spots. The Airbow is powered with 3,000 pound square inch of compressed air and provides 8 consistent shots at 450 feet/second, and the free-floating barrel with a stabilizing system ensures precision. The Airbow comes with a quiver, 3 nanoceramic Victory Ice arrows, and a canted Picatinny base for 20 MOA adjustment. Originally priced at $599.90, it's an exciting choice for both seasoned and new archers. Number 2. Goen 6-Needler. The Goen 6-Needler is a unique and powerful 9mm carbon dioxide dart revolver built for sport shooting, training, recreation, and personal defense. Designed to fire specialized needle or wire darts, it delivers impressive penetration and accuracy. Powered by a standard 12-gram CO2 cartridge, the 6-Needler features a removable 6-shot cylinder for quick reloads. Shooters can choose between single action mode for precise shots or double action mode for rapid firing. Classic front and rear sights ensure reliable aiming, while an integrated Picatinny rail allows easy mounting of accessories such as red dot sights. Measuring 282 millimeters and weighing 1.2 kilograms, this robust and well-balanced revolver offers a distinctive, high-performance shooting experience, unlike traditional air or CO2 pistols. Number 3. Senica Dragonclaw. The Senica Dragonclaw 2 takes a classic powerhouse to the next level, with a huge 100+ feet-pound energy increase that delivers extreme performance for serious hunters. This versatile .50 caliber PCP rifle can take deer, hogs, coyotes, raccoons, and similar-sized game quickly and humanely. Shooters can choose between lead ammo or deadly accurate air bolts, with 430 grain bolts reaching over 600 feet/second to make it one of the fastest arrows launching airguns available. Its twin 500 cubic centimeter air reservoirs provide multiple powerful shots from a 3,000 pound square inch fill, ensuring reliability in the field. With peak velocities up to 860 feet/second and muzzle energy at approximately 340 feet-pounds, the Dragonclaw de Benbuensi stands far above its predecessor. The hardwood stock, rifled barrel, bolt action, and 2 power settings make it unmatched in hunting capability for $589.99. Number 4. Hatson Harpoon. The Hatson Harpoon redefines modern arrow launching with its powerful, precision-engineered PCP design. It delivers speeds up to 600 FPS and a very impressive 330 feet-pound energy. It shoots a standard 20-inch commercially available crossbow arrow without needing any costly specialty bolts. Its bullpup layout, smooth side lever action, and patented gas piston hammer spring ensure consistent, hard-hitting performance. The advanced polymer tactical stock features an integrated pistol grip, an adjustable cheek rest, and a soft rubber butt pad for comfort and control. A long optics rail supports both 11mm and Picatinny mounts, while onboard storage for 2 arrows adds convenience in the field. Powered by a 500 cubic centimeter aluminum air bottle with a 250 bar fill, the Harpoon offers 10 optimal shots in a compact 36-inch platform. Price: $703.99. Number 5. Umarex AirSaber Elite X2. The Umarex AirSaber Elite X2 establishes a new standard in the air archery category with the first ever double-barrel design in the industry. Powered by a massive 4,000 pound square inch charge and a 240 cubic centimeter onboard tank, it produces up to 25 lethal hunting grade shots per fill. The first 5 shots exceed 450 feet-pound-second and 130 feet-pounds of energy with 376 grain arrows. A push-through selector makes switching between barrels fast, and a Picatinny rail on the receiver, combined with 3 additional rails on the forend, make for flexible mounting of optics, quivers, and bipods. The AirSaber Elite X2 comes equipped with 3 AirSaber arrows, a 4x32 Axion archery scope, and a side lever cocking system. With its unparalleled power, capacity, and originality, this is one of the most competent air archery platforms to be had. Price: $324.99. Number 6. Umarex Air Javelin Pro. The Umarex Air Javelin Pro brings a major performance boost to modern air archery with a PCP-powered design and regulated consistency. It delivers speeds up to 370 feet-pound-second and 52 feet-pounds of energy with 170 grain arrows. It offers 25 effective and ethical hunting grade shots from a single fill. Its 1,500 pound square inch regulator and 121.3 cubic centimeters air tank ensure smooth, reliable power, while the Umarex Ready Air Compressor can refill it in just 7 minutes. An ambidextrous bolt action, a manual push-button safety, and a crisp 6.25 pound trigger make it user-friendly for any shooter. A lightweight adjustable polymer stock, Picatinny rail, and M-lock slots allow for easy customization with optics and accessories. Compact at 31 inches to 34.25 inches, the Air Javelin Pro is efficient, powerful, and highly maneuverable. Price: $319.99. Number 7. Tradition's Crackshot XBR. The Tradition's Crackshot XBR is an innovative hybrid system that converts a lightweight .22 caliber single-shot rifle into a powerful arrow-launching platform. This innovative package includes the Crackshot rifle with a 16.5-inch barrel and the XBR upper, which easily swaps onto fire arrows instead of cartridges. The XBR features a protected inner barrel that accepts the hollow end of a Tradition's firebolt arrow for safe, controlled arrow propulsion using a .27 cal long XBR power load. Firing 16-inch 2,216 aluminum firebolt arrows at up to 385 feet-pound-second. The Crackshot XBR offers low recoil, low noise, and an effective hunting range of up to 70 yards. Compact, versatile, and easy to operate, it presents a totally new shooting experience. Number 8. FX Air Guns Rancherero. The FX Rancherero is a high-end, pre-charged pneumatic pistol created in collaboration between Air Guns of Arizona and FX Air Guns. It was designed to take the performance of the highly regarded FX Cyclone rifle and bring it into a compact form, giving you excellent accuracy, consistency, and versatility. It includes an 8-shot rotary magazine, an ultra-smooth biathlon-style bolt that can be configured for left or right-hand usage, and a removable 65 cubic centimeter air cylinder that can be filled on or off the pistol. Its smooth twist barrel with threaded muzzle ensures top-tier precision, while the adjustable 2-stage match trigger and 3-step external power adjuster let shooters fine-tune their experience. It rounds out with a beautifully crafted walnut grip and forend, and it's considered one of the leading PCP pistols available, delivering up to 18 feet-pounds of energy. Price: $1,099.99. Thanks for watching. If any of these 2025 air guns blew your mind or inspired your next upgrade, hit that like button and drop a comment telling us your favorite pick. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic breakdowns on cutting-edge hunting gear and next-level tech. Stay sharp, shoot smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.